In a world dominated by digital connectivity, why does Generation Z find it so difficult to unplug? Born into the era of smartphones and social media, Gen Z's formative years are defined by digital interactions. This constant connectivity shapes their social experiences, alters communication, and even influences identity. Psychological studies suggest that instant access to information and social validation from peers becomes an integral part of their lives. Furthermore, the omnipresence of screens in education and work blurs the lines between online and offline existence. While digital tools offer immense benefits, they also foster dependency, making unplugging a challenge. Critically, this connection to technology raises questions about balancing virtual and real-world experiences. Ultimately, understanding this dynamic could lead to meaningful dialogues on technology's role in well-balanced living.